Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are unpacking the OnePlus 7T Pro. And the side of the box says it, but this box is hella ugly. And this box just says, this is the OnePlus 7T Pro. It's a culmination of all our design and engineering efforts and crafted for those who, like us, always strive for the very best. That's literally all the box says. The back is blank. And yeah, it's in this plastic, so that's why it's, you know. And as you can see, the color is haze blue. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, which is a very big upgrade from my phone that I have now. I have the Xiaomi Mi Mix 2. As a matter of fact, we have 3K subs right now. Hey, so I don't know when this is coming out, but yeah, thank you. This one has 64 gigabytes of storage. For now, let's unpack it. Finally, I know. It says open right here. So let's pull off this plastic because it is hurting my camera. Now, I gotta say, the box does have a nice color. You don't really see it right now because for some reason it's very bright. So I'm gonna wiggle the box until the bottom shakes out. Then I can gently pull this away, and there we go. Now, as you can see, that says OnePlus. On the top is a pull tab. Before we look at the phone, inside are some things apparently. So this says never settle. I don't know what this is. I think this is just information. A invitation letter, which if I open it, so I think this is the thing you can like make people pay less. We got some OnePlus stickers. I might use this if I really like this phone. A literal business card, more information. Now the phone has the in-screen fingerprint reader. Now it says never settle here as well. I'm gonna take the phone out. So yeah, this is how it looks in the plastic. I will be showing you the phone up close, but first, let me unpack the rest of the box. Alright, so there's a pull tab on the bottom. Now, in the box is a damn cover. Like, well, fuck. I just ordered a case for this phone. But apparently you get a case. I got my new case, by the way. As you can see, the sides have a little bit of grip. There obviously is still room for the switch and the hole for the camera, of course. And yeah, I don't know where I put this in the video, but let's go. The SIM card tool, the USB-C charger cable. I think it is USB 3.1 or 2. I'm not sure. The OnePlus power brick, which I'm not going to use, but sure. But I do got to see how many amps. 6 amps. All right, yeah, I am going to use this. Thank you, OnePlus. Alright, so that's enough of this shit. So now let's look at the phone. I'm just gonna pull off plastic, which is really satisfying if I don't drop the phone. This is a closer look of the phone, the back. It looks uglier on camera than it does in real life. Trust me. You have the 3 cameras on the back, the flashlight, and I think that is a sensor, but I'm not sure if it's an IR sensor or something. Well, the OnePlus logo and a sticker, which I'm gonna remove. Then we obviously got the case, so I'm gonna put it in the case before I break it already. You do not have an aux port. You do have like the SIM card tray on the bottom, as well as USB-C port and a microphone and speaker, obviously. I'm gonna turn it on, see if it has some power. Oh, I felt something. Hi there. Alright, well, I'm gonna start now. Alright, so hi there. I'm gonna choose my language to be like English. I agree to the terms and conditions. I see the edges are kind of curved like Samsung's phones. It is already checking for updates, which I did not prepare for in this video. Oops. I think this screen is even 90 Hz instead of 60. I am gonna do the fingerprint now. Alright. Okay. Yep. I'm going for that high contrast vibe. Alright, so let me try to show you the phone. There we go. Now this is the background. I think if I show you how it looks when I unlock it, I hope You see that? That's weird. But yeah, I'm gonna try to capture the screen right now because this sucks. Alright, so now I got both phones on the screen recorder. Now let me go to the camera apps of the phones and take the picture. Now let me compare which one is better. I don't know. Which one's sharper in your opinion? I mean, I think they're pretty close, but the new one does look better. Depth is around the same, but I mean, if we zoom in, obviously, then if we compare the two pictures, my old phone, if we zoom in on the sticker, we cannot see a thing. With the new one, we cannot see a thing. But it's a little teeny tiny bit better. You know, you can see more detail. I'm not too impressed yet, but I'm not sure if I know what this phone can do. Maybe I can get some slow-mo out of this. Let's see. Damn, that's crazy actually. Slow motion. And go. Let's compare the footage. Tap the beam. No. That's not. Fuck. My dumbass forgot that this is not a IR sensor, but it's the front face camera. Duh, that's one of the main features of this phone and I forgot to mention it. I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna take a selfie, which I never do. As soon as I turn the camera, a little camera pops up and it has some face tracking. I'm gonna go with this. And yeah, I'm gonna compare the two next to each other. I'll put them on screen as well. Holy shit, is this thing good. I don't like how I look in any way, shape, or form, but this is amazing. So in the one from my new phone, which is this one, you can literally see every single beard hair, and with this one you can't. Now, the lighting on this one is a little bit less than this one, because here I look more pale. But the quality, dude, damn, there's like a 24 megapixel camera, like front face camera. This one is 5. So it's not a fair comparison, I know. There's a few things I think I didn't show, so when I tilt my phone towards me, the screen goes on with my notifications. It glows around the edges when I get a notification. And I thought, you know what, let me show you the audio quality of the microphone, which I didn't do before. So now this is the microphone quality of the OnePlus 7T Pro. If I would be calling, this is what it would sound like. That's the microphone and the notification screen for you. Alright, so it's another day past and I am still editing this video because for some reason, I've been too lazy or something, I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, it's really appreciated. Leave a like on it and comment down below if you have any questions or your opinions or what I should test. Or just give me video ideas, it's always appreciated. And for now, peace.
Drive hard. Drive Mustang.